So today was a great meeting once again with my colleagues in Curacao and Aruba, right here in Aruba on today, June 21st. It is one day after our four-country discussion on the way forward with the COHO. I am super pleased that we, as three countries within the Caribbean, are moving forward, holding hands in terms of taking the considerations of our parliaments into consideration to put the best foot forward to be able to realize the much-needed reforms that our countries need. We acknowledge that firsthand, and that is the only reason we want to make sure it happens in a clear, clean, and really fair manner, that we get effective and efficient reforms that will make sure our countries are sustainable and resilient. So together, we will put our proposal together, and hopefully that will convince the Dutch government as to where we would like to go to be able to realize the much needed reforms.